I recognize Saka Nakodar Day and that justice is still waiting to be served for Ravinder Singh, Balder Singh, Jilman Singh, and Harminder Singh. Mr. Speaker, I rise to recognize February 4th as Saka Nakodar Day. On that day in 1986, in the Punjab region of India, 4 unarmed Sikh students were shot and killed while peacefully protesting the desecration of the sacred scripture of Sikhs. The killing was abhorrent, but the investigation was deplorable. The victims' bodies were disposed of in secret. No perpetrator was ever brought to justice, and reports, commissions, and other inquiries on the massacre receive absolutely no action. February 4th remains a dark day for the Sikhs in Punjab, but also for Sikhs here in America. For 39 years, they have fought for truth, justice, and accountability. As United States representatives, it is our responsibility to fight for our values at home and abroad, and call out these tragedies for our partners around the globe. That is why I recognize Saka Nakodar Day and that justice is still waiting to be served for Ravinder Singh, Balder Singh, Jilman Singh, and Harminder Singh. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I yield back.